Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here in the computer room. The other night...
The internet.
Huh?
What the hell did you do to the internet?
I didn't do nothing to the
Check
internet.
the modem, because mine says it's not connected.
Of course, right in the middle. I could do a power cycle.
Well, something's wrong, because mine just went pizzazz.
Hey, I'll do a power cycle. There, I plugged it back in now. Give it a couple minutes to hook up. Why me? Why do I even try? Huh? Why? Huh? That's bad. Hey gang, the other night I took apart a microwave right over here on the computer room floor. The reason was I wanted to get the magnatron out so I could show it to you. It got to be a real bear to struggle with, so I finished taking it apart off camera. Record or record not. There is no edit. Anyway, I took pictures of the guts of the magnatron. The one you see, it looks like a stainless steel tube with purple bands, two electrical connections on one end, and there are these radiating fins, sort of like, that is the tube of your magnetron tube. That is what dies. Okay? Whatever is in that tube, I took one apart once because, I was curious. It took forever. It was a pain in the butt. No edification there for me at all, other than they're a real pain in the butt to open up. So, okay. Then there are the two magnets. Two big ferrite magnets. I mean, they're talking nice, heavy duty. These were the exotic magnets before neodymium, nonobtainium, whatever. Those super magnets that have to be nickel plated or they'll corrode away from air. And they're really fragile. They chip even worse than ferrite magnets. Ferrite magnets will chip like that. Anyway, and the other parts. And those are going to be put on the end of this video. Yes. So, enjoy. Thank you.